Have you ever grown arugula and noticed a flower stalk growing out at the top? This means the plant has bolted and will start to produce seeds. In this video, you will learn how to save seeds from your arugula plants.
greensandmachines.com.
When arugula is stressed or exposed to heat, it will send up a flower stalk. Its tendency to do this has earned it the alternative name rocket. When you see a flower stalk come up, you will see little purple and white flowers growing off of it. Aside from being an edible part of the plant, these flowers form the seed pods. When the flower is pollinated, the seed pod will begin to swell and eventually dry out. This is when your seeds are ready to harvest. It is best to let the flower stalk dry out before harvesting the stalk. Use scissors to cut the stalk away from the plant. Try to be careful when cutting down the stalk. The seed pods are somewhat fragile and can break open when handled. Place the flower stalks in a bin. Using your hands, gently agitate the stalks and pods. You'll notice the pods will break open and scatter seeds all over the container. Continue to agitate until all the pods are broken. Once the seeds have been extracted from the pods, remove the bigger pieces of stalk by hand. You can then gently blow away the smaller pieces with your breath or using a fan. When complete, place the seeds into a bag.
Look at that. Arugula seed.
Label the bag as arugula seed and the date of harvest. Store in a cool, dry location, such as your seed stash. And that's it. It's pretty easy to do. You can test to see if your seeds are viable by planting them or germinating them in a bag with water. Since I was a bit messy when harvesting the stalks, I spilled some seeds, and you can see now that they're growing back in this bin. Well, I'm going to replant these once summer is over. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to Greens and Machines for more gardening tips, along with the other DIY videos on this channel. I'll see you in another video.